Cordillera.
Kalinga!
So, I have a question for you, Mr. Kalinga. As the last candidate, every portion of competition, how do you deal with the pressure of waiting to be last every single time?
Is this the question or just
This is just for fun, not graded.
being the
You want to
last?
answer like a question, you may.
And so being the last may be the the farthest from them all, but it's an advantage because I can prepare better.
I like it. Alright, thank you for being game to answer my extra question.
Sure.
Alright, the real question now. What makes a great man?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, my other co-candidates spoke with a speech like a minute or two, but I'm not going to make it difficult for you guys. Being a great man should be sincere, because tonight I'm wearing a native attire from Kalinga, which shows sincere appearance, because this has been a clothing from our ancestors before. And tonight, I carry the spirit of Kalinga and the pride of every Filipino, with resilience, compassionate, courageous, mabuhay ang Filipinas. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Kalinga.
At mabuhay din sa'yo ang proud Filipino.
Yes!
Yan mananalo.
Monarch Montage International Ambassador, as well as Quezon Province. Congratulations and thank you again to Monarch Montage for your generosity and support in this year's edition. Next up, we have our Great Man Ultra Vanilla Ambassadors. I have the pleasure of announcing our best in formal wear. My fellow Cordilleran, Kalinga! Best in formal wear. Congratulations, Kalinga, for being the best in formal wear. Awarded by our Miss Universe Philippines, Nueva Ecija, as well as our top model, Mr. Naomi Wainwright. Thank you so much, Mr. Kalinga. Its own success, so congratulations. But there will only be 2 more in our top 12. Congratulations. I heard it, Kalinga! Sino kaya ang final candidate? Sino? Congratulations, Negros Oriental! Okay, Mr. Kalinga, you were announced as best in formal wear. Is that your favorite part of competition, or do you like the common question?
Yes, because I won. And also, this part because I'm not the last candidate. To be
Yes, you're not the last this time. Congratulations. All right, so what is your answer to the common question?
So for that question, actually, for the one being pushed the issue, I looked up to them and kind of disappointed with their comment. Because my take to that is that a true Filipino spirit is not by heritage, but by character. And anyone who represents the Philippines with pride, courage, and passion deserves to represent our country. Being a Filipino is not by your blood veins. It's about your heart and your love for your country. Happy Independence Day. I am proud to be a Filipino. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Mr. Kalinga. All right, moving right along, we have our last two candidates. Please come to the front. Let's give a round of applause for our top two great men of this year's competition.
Before we announce, sino kaya ang great man of the universe Philippines 2026? Let me hear some noise! Caballero daw!
Okay, so the first title we will announce is Great Man Caballero Universal Filipinas 2026. He will be representing the Philippines at the Caballero Universal 2026 pageant.
Sino kaya ang great man of the universe Philippines 2026?
Again, the first name called is your grand winner, the Mr. Great Man of the Universe Philippines 2026. Let's hear some noise.
You are right! Occidental Mindoro, our great man of the Philippines 2026! Congratulations!
At this time, we'll be congratulating and awarding our great man Caballero Universal Filipinas 2026 Kalinga. To present the award is Ms. Joy Lynn, as well as the crown made by R&F Crowns, awarded by Great Man of the Universe 2025 Ambassador, Mr. Michael Alfonso Carter. Your Great Man Caballero Universal Filipinas 2026 is Kalinga. Congratulations. And at this time, one title remains, one dream, one great